in Miami with it, man. We're in Miami, man. We'll go on YouTube. First night in Miami. Gonna go explore, head into this food place. So we're gonna see what it's talking about. Gsxr suggested it, so if it's trash, we're gonna comment boo Gsxr in the comments. But I'm pretty sure it'll be good. Anyways, man, it was a long journey to get here. Thank you, God, we made it here. It's gonna be a great time. Gonna be going around different parts of Miami, parts that we've never seen before, so this should be very interesting, bro. I can't wait. It feels amazing. I think it's like 80 degrees out here. It's gonna be like that the whole weekend. We really in Miami, bro. This stuff is crazy. Look at the palm trees. Like, come on, bro, we're really here. It feels great. I have short sleeves on. Like, dude, you can't ask for nothing better. We are here. It's gonna be a great time too. Woo! This is a big ting event coming on by. There's a big event going on tomorrow. All the beautiful bikes out here. First night out here, man. Let's take a look at all these bikes out here. Look at them, look at them, look at them. Going crazy. Yes, sir. We out here in Miami, yo. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Of course I gotta run as soon as I get sun. Woo! Stuff's crazy, bro. That man chilling. Oh. Yes, there's a meet going on tomorrow. It's Gsxr meet. So everybody's meeting up there. Gonna have us a good time, bro, and meet some other big time creators and see who we can network with. Because at the end of the day, this is a business trip. And that's what that's about, networking. I'm waving to everybody. Woo! But that's all you see in Miami, though, is scooters and mopeds. I swear that's all I've seen so far. Woo! Bro, hearing this in person is just insane, bro. Like, they're crazy loud. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was insane too. I guess we're going on the highway. Little highway run, nothing too crazy. On the highway in Miami, bro. Look at the views, bro. That stuff's crazy. I think they finna hit some wheelies. Hey, hey. Wheelies in Miami, riding in Miami. Yeah, that was pretty sketchy, but we'll be all right. Yay! That sounds good. That Ducati sounds mean, bro. Wow. Look at the city, bro. Okay, I think honestly, Dallas' skyline is a lot better than this. However, it's still sick. Wow, bro, look at all this. Just, bro, to be able to take this in is crazy. Wow. Thank you, God, for this experience, man. Miami, Florida. Crazy, bro. Oh, Miami isn't somewhere that I thought I would be. These buildings are pretty cool, though. I know these are expensive penthouses and stuff, too. Them boys up there doing standing wheelies. It's crazy. And they're hitting these hoes easily, too. Wow, bro. I wonder what's going on down there. Wow, bro. Miami just... And it's hard to, like, take it all in on a motorcycle when you gotta look left and right and try your best not to crash, but, like, dude, it's just insane. It's different. It's a different experience. Wow, look at that, bro. Look at the city. Wow. Miami is nuts, bro. There's so many different parts to it, too. Hey! That's tough, bro. Miami already out here showing love. Wow, bro, Miami is too lit, bro. Yeah, there you go, Ace. Hey. Miami is nuts, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Wow. I'm loving it, bro. I'm loving it. This is awesome, bro. This is what we came for. This is awesome. Oh, he's finna do a knee knocker. Hey, hey, them boys wildin', but I like it though. See? Wow. And look at this shit though. You got the cop mode out there. You got the ship out here. Different, bro. Miami's different about. Oh, this is so loud, bro. Bro, I wish you could experience this, bro. Dang. One day, man, one day. But there's so many, like, spots you can go and get a good still shot at. Like, it's crazy, bro. This place is full of surprises. Yeah, man, as you go throughout Miami, you see a whole bunch of different, like, stores. You never know what to expect. Like, there's a gym up here and a pizza place down here. You never know what to expect. A pink van, I mean... a whole bunch of randomness happening. I think we're turning that way. Wow, bro. This is literally GTA. I swear this is just like GTA, bro. Is the beach not like close by? Yeah, people actually like bikes here. They be watching. I think everybody's trying to figure out where to park. trying to park at? Are we here? I'll get back with you in a little bit, man. Just look around. This place is insane. I guess every time you visit like a new place, you always say, wow, that's insane. But dude, like honestly, this is pretty insane. Can't even lie. I'm having a great time right now. I just gotta take y'all around, bro. Like, Miami is actually nuts. So many different places, man. Alcohol places, food places, weed places, restaurants, colors on buildings. Like, it's just nuts here. Yeah, that boy is too good at that. And for the people that say I don't shift, I try to redline it before I shift. I'm trying to get used to that in case I race people. I don't know. It's just something I like to do. I don't know how the other guy keeps catching up to us. But he keeps catching up, so he must know where he's going. Wow, bruh. I would love to. Bro, like, imagine living in one of these upper apartments. It's insane, bro. It's crazy that this is gonna be GTA 6, the new map for GTA 6. I wonder how this is gonna be, bro. It's gonna be so lit. I know, bro. Right? It's insane. Wow. This place is crazy, bro. Shit is crazy, bro. Damn. Yup. Miami, Florida, baby.